Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 screen stays completely black, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as a failed display or internal connection problems. If left unresolved, it could lead to more complicated issues that may prevent your Thermomix from functioning altogether. To fix this, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a new display unit compatible with the TM5 model. Begin by ensuring your Thermomix is unplugged from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. Use the plastic prying tool to gently open the casing around the display. Be careful not to damage the surrounding parts. Once you have access, locate the display unit. It will be connected to the mainboard via a ribbon cable. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it away from the connector. Now, unscrew the screws holding the display in place using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember, the screws are small, so keep them safe. Once the screws are removed, you can extract the faulty display. Take your new display unit and align it correctly before securing it with the screws you just removed. Reconnect the ribbon cable by pushing it back into its connector firmly. Make sure everything is secure and there are no loose connections. Before closing the casing, plug your Thermomix back in to test if the screen lights up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything works correctly, carefully snap the casing back together until it clicks into place. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your Thermomix is kept in a clean, dry environment and avoid any liquid spills near the device. Regular maintenance checks can also help identify potential issues early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.